These trades were taken on January 25th, 2018. The market had been pushing up strongly because of news on the government shutdown. So for a longer time frame, market had been kind of shooting up. So over here, it spiked up massively, and this is actually a little bit annoying because I kind of saw this potential trade happen. I saw it happen kind of like, it's gotta go to the 5 minute, because that's what I was looking at it on. Yep. I saw it happen like, oh, jeez. I forget what this formation is called, but either the market would likely break to the downside or break to the upside. And smart money, just because of the momentum of the market, goes to the upside. But I never placed an order for the trade like an idiot. But besides the point, the market pushed up very strongly and reacted very strongly at these levels, right? Reacted here, bounced down, reacted here again very strongly. So here I anticipated the market to actually bounce simply because it seemed to put on a higher low to come back up. Again, I wanted to take profits at about this level. So this trade was annoying, and the reason why is I set it up initially as a 9 to 11 risk reward, with initially taking profits right here at this line, right? So that means if I had left it at that, I would have gotten an 11 tick gain. However, since I decided to be look for it, I guess, a little too much, I decided to take profits instead at this level, and that would have been a 20 tick gain. Of course, and then of course after the market pushed up so much, I moved my stop to not quite break even, but a little bit below. So the market, of course, pushed back down immediately and was a 3-tick loss. Okay, so the second trade, the market clearly seems to be in a downtrend, so I switched my original idea for the market and entered a short position here. It was a 9 to 16 risk reward. I believe I set my stop probably at around these levels, maybe I think about up here possibly. And 9 to 16, I had expected the market to push all the way down to here, because the market seemed to be like at least have a what's the word I'm looking for, a bearish mood to it, if you will. So as we can see, the market, even though overall I was right long term. Right, oh man. Okay, this is annoying, but as we can see, the market kind of decided it wanted to retrace first before it pushed down. So I gotta look out for those more often, or to really just look for better entries. Sometimes I think what's happened this week is I was very quick with my entries. So I just entered at not the best times. Yeah. So that was it for January 25th.